Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be sharing with you how I make my rice hair deep conditioner.
If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said.
So here I have my 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. I will stir. I will leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes to boil.
And I didn't understand that you were the one. And I can't wait to see you again.
As you can see, it is ready. I will pour the rice into my blender, add small water. I will blend it until it gets smooth.
Hindsight is fleeting, oh, and your heart's bleeding, and all you can see.
So I will transfer it inside my filter to get the lumps out to make it more smooth.
Comments. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong, and instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one. And I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait.
So here I have this small bowl here. I will pour everything inside. Just take a look at that. It's so cream. I love it.
Understand that you.
That is my shea butter. I will add my shea butter. It's already mint. You can also make use of coconut oil and also almond oil if that's what you have. So let me start applying the hair mask. This hair mask, it will make your hair to be healthy and bouncy. It helps hair growth. It will also make your hair to be shine and healthy. And it also good for any hair type, kinky hair, straighty hair. Just is also moisturize hair very well. Just give it a try. You will see what I'm talking about.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one. And I can't wait to see you
So after applying the hair mask, I will cover it with shower cap, leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. I know my daughter will not stay that long before I will rinse it out. Now, as you can see, I have raised the hair. I will comb it like this. I'm just thinking which style I want to give this hair. Let me just give the hair a simple, easy style.
Thought I'd be sometimes what's right is wrong, and instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you are the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you are the one, and I can't wait to see you
So beauty, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Goodbye. Ciao ciao.
Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding.